Hey everyone, so today we'll be talking about computer architecture for the simple equation. So first of all, we need to know about the postfix notation first. So how do we start is we separate them with the bracket. And then we write AB, divide, plus, addition, CD, and subtract. This shows that we will have to put the symbols at the back, and please do not forget the BODMAS principle as it's been used in this postfix notation. Now we'll be doing stack diagram. So for diagram, first of all, we'll start from the bottom layer. We'll have to draw boxes and by layer. So the first one is A at the bottom layer, and next will be A and the top layer will be B. And continuing next, A, B, and divide symbol. Now this is the first part as you will combine it all in the bottom layer. Now we will be doing the second part, which we will place it at the second layer. C, and now D, and now subtract. Now doing the same thing, we will combine it all, but this time we will be placing it at the and now we'll add the addition at the top layer. We will now combine both the first and the second layer along with the addition. And that is all for today. Now we will move on to hard equation. Good luck! Same as the simple equation, we will also start with the postfix notation. So as you can see, we will start it by B, C, and again remember to place the symbols at the back and along with the BODMAS principle. So we started off with the B, C, the multiplication, and place it as the inner bracket for the first bracket. And now we will move on to the second one, which is A, B, addition. And remember there will be a minus in the between of both of the brackets. As for the next one, we'll do the same thing with the one in the bracket and the symbol at the back. Now don't forget to close the bracket. Next, now we'll combine both the first and the second part together. So basically it's B, C, multiply with A, B, addition, and the subtract at the back. Same goes for the next part. As you can see, again the symbols are placed at the back according to their BODMAS principle. Now, after this part, we will then combine both together. Subtract, and then now you combine with E, G, F, H. So now we will place the divide at the back. And there you go. And that is all for the hard equation of postfix notation. Now we'll be doing stack diagram. As you can remember, we will now draw again the diagram. So B, place it at the bottom, and now at the top layer, C, and now multiply symbol, and then now we will combine it all in the bottom layer. Now we will do the second part, which is A, D, and addition symbol. Now we'll add the A and the addition and D symbol to the second layer, and then we'll add the subtract symbol at the top. And now we'll combine it all together. which means it's B multiplied with C, subtract A, addition with D. And now, letter E, right above the ones that have been written, which is the B multiplied with C and subtract with A, add with D. Moving on. B multiplied with C minus A plus D, and now E. And we'll be writing the ones at the back, which means now we'll write G, F, and for this part you can actually continue by writing H and subtract, but then there wasn't enough space, so do remember to make your box larger and longer. And now you just have to continue writing the rest. H and subtract. And now moving on, we will, as you remember from the simple equation we learned in the beginning, we have to start from the back. So F, we subtract with H and the addition symbol at the top. Now the next one, we will combine the third, the fourth, and the fifth lines. And now we write E, and then we combine G plus with F and subtract with H. And now the multiplication symbol at the top. Next up, we will combine the third, the fourth, and the fifth all together in the second row, which means E multiply in the bracket G plus F minus H and the divide symbol at the top. Next up, which is the final one, make sure that your line is long enough, as you will have to combine all three of the lines. Divide in the middle, GH, and you're done. Thanks for watching. Bye. Have a good day.